Companies like SOLIDWORKS need to build it right the first time. That means clearly communicating through SOLIDWORKS drawings. And sometimes, these files get huge. For 3 years, detailing mode has been evolving. You can now open even your largest print in just seconds and work on them without the overhead of loading any parts or assemblies, or even having them on your machines. Add and edit notes, snap in and machine balloons, organize sheets, add dimensions, set tolerances. New in 2022, you can insert whole table and add standard views from the view palettes. When you're done, you can save, even print a completely accurate PDF. What about all the drawings that haven't been accessed in years? In 2022, SOLIDWORKS has extended the ability to open any prior version drawing right to detailing mode. This is great because you will always be able to open a drawing, even if you don't have the reference model. So what else is new with drawings? How about a new in-context menu? This pop-up lets you toggle a circular dimensions, diameter, radius, or linear. For turns parts, the new symmetric linear diameter dimensions will come in handy. These are double dimensions which I can apply in a single click to a silhouette edge, or in batch with multiple axis modes. This new annotation type allows for a clean section view by eliminating redundant leader lines. Geometric dimensioning and tolerances allow functional definition of component features and allowances. So I can clearly illustrate manufacturing intent. SOLIDWORKS 2022 introduced a brand new interface to define geometric tolerances indicators. The intuitive, step-by-step input is easier than ever. Specification, zone, feature, filter, characteristics, modifiers, and their terms references, add adjacents and auxiliary indicators, tags, create stack and composite indicators, even erase your mistakes. In a design like this, I have many unique Wellman parts, each with its own cut list. This is rich data, but how do I roll up to one assembly level table? With SOLIDWORKS 2022, the detailed cut list option is available for bill of material of all types. This means you can aggregate multiple cut lists into an assembly BOM, providing you with more flexibility and depth of control. Predefined views are useful to give new drawing a standardized layout. Now in 2022, the flat pattern view is available, and there's a new option to toggle band lines visibility, increasing your ability to automate documentation of sheet metal parts. Proper documentation is a key component of bringing your design to life. Add clarity to your drawings, share your intents, and finish this task faster with SOLIDWORKS 2022. And lastly, we have import categories. When collaborating with others, performing design work focused on facilities, often you need to share your design data using alternate file formats like IFC. SOLIDWORKS 2022 has focused on improving both the efficiency and reliability of saving IFC file formats out for other design tools to leverage. Additionally, 2022 has improved its flexibility when reading IFC file as well. Now, when you open an IFC file, you can choose to filter specific object types to import, avoiding the need to open unnecessary geometry and focus on just the information you need to work with. All of this means that the imported files both open faster but also do not contain overly complex geometry for the specific design tasks you need to perform when working with IFC data. Also new for SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the ability to better support the export of DXF and DWG file formats from part files. Components often contain color information that is important for manufacturing processes, such as color of sketches, band line, and other informations. This is extremely valuable for downstream operation where colors can represent different manufacturing process or parameters for NC tool equipment. SOLIDWORKS 2022 has improved the way you can collaborate with others by improving the overall import and export experience to various file formats.